Alright fam, y'all know what time it is. It's episode 3 of shit I get from the market. I'm just showing you my nice haul of all the stuff that I got from the market. We're right in the fitness February. Let's get it started off to the right foot. We got a bunch of clean eating food here. This is the stuff that I'm going to use in order so I can lose weight. Aid with my weight loss. We're doing pretty much natural foods here and vegetables as well, like natural fruits, vegetables. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I went to about 3 markets. I went to Aldi's, I went to the Dollar Tree, and I also went to Food Line. So I'll start from my right to left, your left to right. So I got some celery, of course. I'm gonna use this in my chickpea salad, or with peanut butter, of course. That's my little go-to snack. I got some quinoa. I'm gonna substitute my rice out for the quinoa. Quinoa is a good grain. It's a lot more healthy for you. It's just tasty, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty tasty. These are gonna be like my potato chips. These are green pea crisps. They're full of protein as well. Let's see. It's 5 grams of protein per 1 ounce serving. So it's pretty good. Green peas are high in protein. I got some salad or some lettuce. I'm gonna chop and make it into salads. Take care of that tonight. Have the tomatoes also for the salads. Had a really good deal on these. I actually should have got more. These were 49 cents at Aldi's. I couldn't believe it. I picked up, I think about 5. I'm not sure where the other one's at. They might have rolled out of the bag in the car. So I got some roasted red pepper hummus. This was $1.99. It was a really good bargain for $1.99. I put this in my salads. Sometimes I just eat it by itself. But you'll see what I do with it. It's gonna be pretty good. You know what I'm saying? You know how we get down. Got a bag of spinach. Gotta do the spinach. So I have 3 bags of frozen fruit. This one here is the blueberries. I got these from Aldi's. Really good sale. These are my strawberries. These were $1 at Dollar Tree. Just like the peaches, $1 at Dollar Tree. Next up, I have some jalapenos. So when I cook with jalapenos, it gives me a spicy flavor, so then I can substitute out a lot of the salt because I can do more spicy than salt, and I'll add other natural flavors like onion. When I'm trying to cut, I cut back on my salt. Also have a bag of green onions. I'll make like a soupy broth type thing going on there. These are always good to have around the house. I have some vegetable broth for the soup. Like a little quinoa soup. Got some mushrooms. These are gonna go in the soup. The baby bellas and regular white mushrooms. I have 2 pineapples. They're gonna either go in smoothies, or I'm gonna just have them raw by themselves as a snack instead of chowing down on potato chips. Potato chips are one of the things that you might find comfort in, really easy, really cool. So if I have a lot of natural, fresh cut fruit, that's gonna curb my potato chip appetite. I have a good bag of apples. These were $1.99. Such a steal for this amount of gala apples. So I had to pick it up. And just have a little bit more frozen vegetables and also some green peppers, And these are also another good snack. I got dry roasted peanuts. They're salted. Normally I get unsalted, but these are salted with sea salt. So it's pretty good. They didn't have any unsalted. Those were only like $1 or $1.99 for this big container. I couldn't believe it, so I had to pick it up. But yeah, I think that's about it for what I got from the market. So we're jumping right into fitness February. Everything I do this month is gonna be geared towards fitness. This is my mini haul for fitness. I actually have some more stuff that I need to go back to the store and buy, but I need to put all this stuff away. So I wanted to show you guys this stuff first, and then there'll be another video, episode 4 of I get from the market really soon. Also, special shout out to Jack Bryce. He's an 8-year-old kid who just transitioned to veganism. I am so excited, so stoked. He tried my vegan mac and cheese before. I'm gonna say that was the reason he did it. So anyway, I just wanted to give him a little shout out before we get this video going. Here's a little picture of him. And just say your well wishes in the comments for Jack. Congratulations to him. He's been a long time vegetarian. Now he's switching over to vegan. I'm so happy for him. I'm gonna tell you guys, eat grass, not ass. like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.